Does GoDaddy give refunds? Yes, GoDaddy offers refunds under certain conditions, but their refund policy depends on the type of service or product you've purchased. Here's a breakdown of GoDaddy's refund policy. 1. Domain registration refunds. Refund policy. GoDaddy has a 30-day refund policy for domain registrations. If you cancel your domain within 30 days of registration, you can receive a full refund. Exceptions. If you've transferred or used the domain for hosting or any other services, a refund may not be issued. Also, after 30 days, domain registration fees are non-refundable. Second, web hosting refunds. Refund policy. GoDaddy offers a 30-day money-back guarantee for most of its web hosting plans. If you cancel your hosting service within 30 days, you can receive a full refund. Exceptions. Add-ons like domain registration, SSL certificates, or setup fees may not be refundable, depending on the plan or service. Third, website builder refunds. Refund policy. GoDaddy provides a 30-day refund policy for their website builder plans. If you cancel within 30 days, you will receive a full refund. Fourth, SSL certificate refunds. Refund policy. GoDaddy typically offers a 30-day refund on SSL certificates if you cancel within the first 30 days of purchase. 5. Professional services. Refund policy. For professional services like SEO, web design, or website marketing services, GoDaddy's refund policy may vary depending on the contract terms. Generally, these services are non-refundable after a certain period or once work has been started. 6. Renewals and auto-renewals. Refund policy. If your domain or hosting plan renews automatically and you didn't intend to renew, you can request a refund within a certain time frame, usually within 5 days of the renewal date. You can cancel auto-renewals at any time to avoid unexpected charges in the future. 7. Payment method. Refunds are usually credited to the original payment method you used for the purchase, credit card, PayPal, etc.